Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Farmhouse Pedestal candle holder. So I had this candlestick that I got at a yard sale, but you can use one of the glass ones that come from Dollar Tree if you can't find one. This one's just, the one I'm using is just a wooden one that I got at a yard sale, thrift store or something. I used 24 half beads, and I'm not sure of the exact size of them. And this little tray that I got at Michael's in that dollar bin section, they have such cute wood stuff there. Some black paint and some white acrylic paint. So the first thing I did was glue the beads all along the edges. So each side took 6 beads. So I just glued them on with my hot glue gun right in the center. And I left a teeny tiny gap between each one. And you're going to repeat this process on all 4 sides. So there you go. You have beads on all sides. And next I took my heat gun, and that gets rid of all the string from the glue gun. Next I repainted the candlestick that I had. And then I painted the tray and all of the beads, the whole thing, entirely in black. And it was kind of tedious getting around the little beads, but it didn't take very long at all. Next, I painted all of it white. So I painted right over the black with a nice coat of white. I didn't worry about the black showing through because that's kind of the point of this. So I just did a nice quick coat of the white paint over everything. Once that was all dry, I took my sanding block and sanded the whole entire project. So all the edges, some of the fronts of the beads, and the candlestick itself. Kind of give it a rustic look and let some of that black come through. Next, I took some glue. And this is just regular Elmer's craft glue. And I put that on the top of the candle holder. And then I added a little hot glue. And then I put it on the bottom center and held it until it was dry. And this came out so adorable. I absolutely love it. I took a little greenery and wrapped it around itself and put a little candle in, and look how cute that is. I love it. It's super simple and easy and makes a cute addition to really any decor. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle.